Hey everybody, hi and welcome to a very special class today. We are talking about helping you to leverage your strengths and make more money with the money archetypes. Hi, I can see you guys in the chat. Oh, hi. I can see, okay, thank you. It is my birthday. Thank you very much. Thank you. But this is all about you, not me. I'm going to celebrate my birthday in a couple of hours. But this is about helping you to leverage your strengths and make more money this year. So just before we get started, I want to see where everyone is listening in from. So I am beaming to you live from Newcastle, Australia in my house. It has been a crazy morning. You can imagine trying to get 3 kids and 2 dogs sorted. If you hear some barking in a second, it's the doggy daycare bus coming to pick up our dogs, and they lose their bananas when they come. So you might hear that in a second. But look, oh my God, it's going so fast. So we've got New Zealand, California, Australia, all the people in Europe who are up super late. Oh my God, there's someone else's birthday that just popped up as well. I just saw that. Central Coast, yeah, my hometown. Awesome. Victoria, Melbourne. Oh my God, Rockhampton. Hey, all the fellow Virgos. Hi, hi, hi. Well, it is so fabulous to have you here. I want to get started because we have got so much to get through. So here's what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn about how you can leverage your strengths using the archetypes in business. And I want to show you some behind the scenes of how I did this, frankly, mammoth, crazy, never do it again launch using the archetypes. So you're in the right place if you want to earn more by doing less or doing business on your terms, and if you want to attract more ideal clients, and if you want to stop your self-sabotage and also stop the hustle and grind. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm a ruler. Sometimes I do get into my hustle and grind behaviors, and it's not about not working. There's never a time where your business is just going to be so easy you never have to do a single thing, but we can totally make it easier. And that's what we all want, right? So this is permission to do business your way, strategies to do business your way, and support as well. All right, so yes, earning more by doing less. Who's that? That's Lisa. Yay, Lisa. So stick around, we're going to have some fun. I've got some costume changes, of course. We've got lots of time to answer your questions as well. There's a prize draw. Always on my webinars, I always do a really cool prize draw, which will be right at the end. And also I want to tell you about my new business course, Sacred Money Archetypes, which is epic. And it's something that I've been working on for the last pretty much 6 months. So stick around. Now, who is new to my work? Are you a newbie here and you have literally never seen me, heard from me ever, ever, ever? Maybe you saw an ad recently, or maybe you did the quiz and you're like, I have no idea who this chick is. Please put up your hand if you are literally a newbie. Who are any of those people? Okay, yep, super new. Hi! Oh my God, this is so much fun. Thank you. Thank you seriously for coming and learning from me, because you might have literally just watched an ad or maybe you've read one of my books. So my books are Lucky Bitch, Get Rich, Lucky Bitch, Chillpreneur, which has been re-released as Chill and Prosper. So what's really interesting is how many people get recommended to read one of my books and then literally come and join one of my courses, which is a really good hint for you and your business as well, right? Keep on putting that content out there, create opportunities to promote yourself, and people will come and join your programs. So welcome to all the newbies, but a big special welcome to some of the people who've been following me for a super, super long time. And I just want to do a big shout out to all of the connectors who have reached out and said, hey, how are you going in this launch? It looks really crazy and busy. Connectors and nurturers, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So who am I? So my archetypes, I am a ruler, I'm a maverick, and I'm a romantic. And seriously, my archetypes show up in my business every single day, and sometimes they fight against each other. I'm also an incredibly imperfect entrepreneur and multi-millionaire. My business has been at the multi-millions level for about 7 years, and I've never, ever, ever done anything perfectly. I've never had perfect funnels. I've never even had a formal marketing plan. I've tried to do things in a really, really simple way, but I'm also an example of how you do not need to be perfect to be successful in business. I am a Virgo, as obviously it's my birthday today, but I'm a Virgo with ADHD. And that has been a blessing and a curse in business. Fellow Virgos will know that perfectionism really derails your business. And my fellow ADHD people know that there are a lot of challenges in business as well. And I also am a mum of 3 kids, and I was about to say 3 dogs. Oh my God, are we getting another dog, Mark? 3 kids and 2 dogs. And I've got a really cute little picture that I want to show. Oh my God, aren't they so cute? Yeah. And I work with my husband, Mark, who's there too. And please say hi to Mark. Mark is also a ruler. He's a ruler, maverick celebrity, and he needs some shine and attention sometimes. So everyone say hi to Mark, please. Okay, cool. Yay. Oh, I'm loving seeing everyone's archetypes come up as well. See, hi, Mark. See, Mark, you are appreciated and loved from the community. Yeah, so many perfectionists here. Okay, so why should you listen to me? To be honest, you can listen to anyone. We can all learn something from each other. But if you need my credentials, I have 12 years experience. I have a marketing degree. I've had at least over 10,000 clients through all of my programs, and I've made over $25 million in online revenue. As I said, completely imperfectly. And a game changer for me was working to my archetypes. And I'm also a certified Sacred Money Archetypes coach, which is exactly why I'm here today, telling you about Sacred Money Archetypes. Now, this isn't my program. This isn't my original work. I'm certified in this method by the lovely Kendall Summerhawk. And Sacred Money Archetypes has been an absolute game changer in my business since I did it many years ago. And now I'm going to teach you all about how to use them in your business as well. All right. Okay, so here's the fun part. What is your money archetype? Okay, and you might have done the quiz and you felt like it didn't suit you, but then a couple of days later, you were like, okay, that does sound like me. Or you might have done it and just gone, oh my God, she's nailed me straight away. So I want to hear what your top archetype is, and also if you know your combination as well. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh my God, how do I know the rest of the combination? You would have received an email about it with your scores. Okay, so let's see what everyone's got. I'm just going to move over here just a teeny bit. All right. Oh, tons of accumulators. Yep. Mavericks, celebrities, connectors, heaps of the mavericks, connectors. Someone just said, that's how I was as a kid, which is really interesting. Sometimes that's what happens when you do the archetypes. You realize it was almost like, well, that's who I would be. And that's who I was as a kid. You know, even with me as a ruler, I was a ruler from a very early age. Okay, so many, yeah, I love it. Autistic, ADHD, and alchemist. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, yeah, you can see all the things, all the nurturers. I'm training my accumulator, always an alchemist, even as a little kid. Virgo ruler, yes. And what's really interesting too, for those of you who have kind of done it and explored the archetypes a little bit, you'll see that you can see patterns really clearly in other people now. So you might you might realize that your kids are showing up really strongly as particular archetypes. And I can totally see that in ours. Willow is an alchemist. She is a romantic. She loves being chill. We used to call her Chillo Willow, literally from when she was like 2 years old. Piper is a little celebrity ruler. From a very young age, she wanted, like, this is hilarious. This is such a celebrity thing. She only drinks out of straws. Like, she's like, where's my fancy straw, Mum? And already she's getting called bossy at daycare. So fellow rulers, how many times did you get called bossy as a kid? And with Georgie, who is our 6-year-old, he is totally a maverick. He is such a rebel. He hates being told what to do. And I think he's going to be maybe a ruler accumulator because he loves money and he loves fairness. And yeah, it's so cool when you can start to see these patterns everywhere. So yeah, Jennifer, always called bossy, and they weren't wrong. Totally. Had a bossy older sister, so I wasn't able to be. I was called bossy as a kid, but I'm a connector. Okay, interesting. Now, don't worry if you don't know what your other archetypes are. There's still lots of time for you to, if you didn't get that email, to contact my team and explore your other archetypes. But of course, hopefully you can come and join us in the course, and then you can explore all of them at the same time. Okay, so that is super fun. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through each archetype in turn, because you might have only watched, or seen one of the workshops, and that's for your top archetype. But really, you've seen people already talk about the three different, their top three. And this is when it gets really fun, when you can see all the differences between all of the archetypes. So I've got a little video for you for each of the ones, and I'm actually going to get changed as well. Okay, so don't go away. It's 30 seconds to introduce some of the archetypes. But first of all, sorry, I just missed a slide. Thank you, Mark. Everyone's going to get different things out of this webinar, out of this call. And actually, when it comes to doing the course and leveraging your strengths, every archetype does it differently as well. And this is why it's so important to know who you are. If you've done business courses before, or you've tried to copy a mentor and thought, why isn't this working? It's because you probably have different archetypes. So if you are a ruler, an accumulator, a maverick, or a celebrity, this is about getting more success and money on your terms, maybe doing things faster or bigger or in a more fun way. But if you're one of the other archetypes, who are maybe the nurturers or the connectors or the romantics and alchemists, you might not be motivated by doing it fast and big. You might want to be motivated more by, how can I help more people? How can I change the world? And how can I do it at my pace? So you can see already how it's not one size fits all. We have to do things in our own way.